Dear children, welcome to today's class of discussion of the essay part no, My Daily Life part 2. So, before doing that, let us do Brahmanath. Om, 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 Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Swastha. Now, you see the essay daily life, part 2. Part 1 we did up to side heading number 4, but number 4 side heading number 4, under that we discussed only one or two sentences. From there I will start the essay now. So that is life at school, the side heading that will continue in this part. So for that I am giving you dot 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 for the first line that we have already discussed. Then the second line, I with my classmates enter into my classroom, my classroom and keep bags keep my bag on the front bench. When the prayer whistle blows, we all gather at the prayer hall. We all gather at the prayer hall. We pray God from 10 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. Then we come to class. Our class starts at 11. Our class starts at 11 a.m. I remain attentive in the class. I take part actively in the discussion and obey my teachers. I abide by the rules of our school. So all the teachers love me. Now this line space is not here, so I will write here again. So let me wipe this. I abide by the rules of my school, and all my teachers, all my teachers, all my teachers. The same paragraph continues. All my teachers love me. All my teachers love me. In the lunch break, in the lunch break, I take my lunch. I take my lunch with all my classmates in the classroom itself, in the classroom. So this is all about the side heading number 4 point, life at school. This under this side heading the paragraph is completed. Now the next paragraph, next side heading we will discuss. That is number 5, life after returning home. Life number 5, life after returning home. Life after returning home. Now under this side heading, I would like to tell you that our school closes at 4:45 p.m. Our school closes at 4:45 p.m. I come home with great delight. I come home with great delight. I put up my uniform and wash my face, feet, hands, and have some tiffin. Then I sit for the evening prayer. I start my study at 6:30 p.m. working hard at my lessons for 4 hours. I have my dinner at 10:30 p.m. offering my wishes to God. I retire to bed at 11 p.m. So this is all about the fifth side heading, life after returning home. So this paragraph is over. Now next paragraph, life on Sundays and holidays. Let us try that. Life on Sundays and holidays. That is number 6. Side heading number 6. Side heading number 6. Life on Sundays and holidays. Sundays and holidays. Life on Sundays and holidays. Now under this heading I would like to tell you that on Sundays I wash my uniform. I wash my uniform. On some Sundays I go to uncle's house. I also go to friend's house on some holidays. On some holidays I go to friend's house. I also visit cultural shows on Sundays. I go to temple. I go to temple with my mother on Sundays. I go to temple with my mother on Sundays. I do my pending homework on Sundays. Like this, on Sundays and holidays I spend my life like this. And this is all about point 6, side heading 6, life on Sundays and holidays. Life on Sundays and holidays. Under this side heading we completed the paragraph. Now let me wipe this. Then comes conclusion. That is number 7. Side heading number 7, conclusion. So, conclusion. In conclusion, I would like to tell you that I have been benefited. I have been benefited a great deal by maintaining a regular planned and disciplined daily life. This is all about my daily life. A routine daily life makes me more active and lively. So that is all about this essay, My Daily Life Part 2. Up to the conclusion I finished. Now a photocopy of the second part of the essay I will send you online. Thank you.